Mumbai races forward. Industry, markets, momentum ignite. The global engine screeches, sparks fly, brakes slam. The world economy is slowing down like it's stuck in Mumbai traffic. But wait, there's one lane that's absolutely flying. Investors are rushing in, like Indian parents rushing to buy onions when prices drop. New factories, new billionaires, new global respect. Is India quietly stealing the spotlight? And the future? India, bold, bright, undeniable. Even China's watching, a little nervous. Investors knocking hard on India's door. Rockets and markets, both lifting off. India rising. The growth story begins. Chapter 1. Why the money moved. This isn't luck, this is strategy. Global money is shifting, and it's landing in India. Here's what turned the tide. FDI surges into Mumbai, Bengaluru, Delhi, more. Global giants are planting flags here. Ports, metros, highways, EV lines, scaling fast. And the rupee, holding steady, gaining respect. Earlier it was, where is India? Now it's, where is India not investing? India's footprint shows up everywhere now. Capital keeps circling back to India. Act 2, the engine under the hood. India is building big. New tech parks, semiconductor fabs, defense exports, green energy, bullet trains. PLI schemes are turning India from a global buyer into a global factory. Speeding up, rapid-fire proof points. Make in India roars to life. From chips to phones, made here, drones and EVs roll off lines. From space tech to finance hubs. Momentum building, watch the numbers. China was the factory of the world. India, the next one loading. 78% exports radiate across continents daily. Now, what this means for you, new jobs mean more people earning and spending. India's consumer market is becoming a goldmine no investor wants to miss. By 2030, India will have the largest young workforce on earth. More ideas, more productivity, more startups, markets and millennials. Demand explodes. UPI taps and fintechs streamline spending. Indices climb on retail flows. Startup culture mints new unicorns. Translation, risk appetite is rising. Indian retail investors. Dips, I only see opportunities. Key takeaway, conviction beats hesitation. Final thoughts, then your move. The next decade of global growth may be written in just 5 letters. INDIA. The question is, will you watch the story unfold or become part of it? Decide where you stand now. Subscribe for sharper, faster insights.